Hello! Thank you for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. Today's video how to make sugar and gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. After watching the video, please consider clicking like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Today's ingredients. First, preheat the oven 160 degrees. 200 grams of pitted dates and 215 ml of hot water into a bowl and leave 10 minutes. Cut 100 grams of chocolate into pieces. Put the dates and hot water into a blender. Add 50 grams of coconut oil, 1 egg, and 90 grams of peanut butter, then blend well. This is the dates mixture. Pour the dates mixture into a bowl. 200 grams of almond meal and half teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. 80 grams of tapioca flour and mix well. Also 50 grams of brown rice flour and mix well. Oops, that's quality. Anyway, 3/4 of the chocolate chip into the bowl and mix well. Again, the wombats need new tools. Very well. Portion the cookie dough and put on a tray covered with the baking paper. Put the rest of the chocolate pieces on the cookies. Bake at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the cookie from the oven and let them cool on a rack. Thank you for watching. See you next video.